Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. If you have a Honda Odyssey, guys, and your lift gate is not working right, it's not staying up on its own, we'll show you how to fix that, how to remove and replace the struts, shock supports for the lift gate. Okay, stay with us. Those are the ones that we ordered online. They're like $21. You can check guys on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. It's in the description below. All the parts and stuff we use, we share the links. Okay, so those are the struts. They have two different models. One is for power lift gate and non-power lift gate. Ours is a non-power lift gate. Okay, so in our case, you have to open it by hand. But see, it's not staying up on its own at all. So now, okay, we'll be holding it, and I'm gonna show you how to remove and replace those. So if you get a small screwdriver, you need to have a person holding the tailgate. Okay. You need to pull that spring out, but careful not to fly in your eyes. Wear eye protection. And once you pull the spring out, okay, you'll be able to pull the strut out of there as well. Okay, so this is the old one, and now we're going to get a new one and replace the old one with a new one. Okay, and this is it right here. Okay, so you need to push it in until it clicks. One on the bottom as well. You need to get it in the ball joint there. Okay, like that. You need to make sure that you have those metal pieces, okay, holding in place there. Okay, like that. And we're going to replace this one here as well, the other side now. So the right side is exactly the same as the left one, not to waste your time, guys. So let's open it now and see if it's going to go on its own up. Okay, perfect. Stays up without supporting it, and you pull it down. That's great. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.